Good morning student. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will study lesson 16, verb singular and plural. This topic is very easy but very important. We have already studied noun singular and plural, and today we will study about verb singular and plural. With singular noun or pronoun we use singular verb, and with plural noun or pronoun we use plural verb. Let's learn more about singular and plural verbs. Is, am, are. We use is with singular noun or pronoun. For example, she is an intelligent student. Here she is singular pronoun, so we use singular verb with she, that is. Okay. And in the second sentence, Jyoti is naughty. Jyoti is singular noun, so we use is with Jyoti. Is singular verb. Okay. We use are with plural pronoun and noun. are जो है हम प्लूरल प्रोनाउन और नाउन के साथ यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे, वी. ओके. You can stand for both singular and plural pronoun. We always use are with you. हम हमेशा are जो है you के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. You are an intelligent boy. In this sentence, you is used as a singular pronoun. We use are with you, and in the second sentence, you all are intelligent boys. Here you is used as plural pronoun. We also use are with you. So you can stand for both singular and plural pronoun. Now look at this chart. Singular verbs. I के साथ हम यूज़ करेंगे am, he, she, it. These are singular pronoun, so we use is with he, she, it. And with plural noun or pronoun we use are. For example, we, you and they, we use are with them. Okay. Now we will study about use of was and were. We use was and were in past tense. We use was with singular noun and pronoun. Vibha was at the school gate. Okay. Here Vibha is singular noun. We use was, that is singular verb, with Vibha. And read the second example. She was angry with me. Here she is singular pronoun, so we use was with she. Was is singular verb. We use were with plural noun or pronoun. हम वर जो है प्लूरल नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द बुक्स वर लॉस्ट. हेयर बुक्स आर प्लूरल नाउन, सो वी यूज़ वर with books. And in the second sentence, Vani and Meena were good at painting. Vani and Meena are plural nouns, so we use were with Vani and Meena. With you we use were when we refer to something that happened earlier. किसी पास्ट, जब हम पास्ट की बात करते हैं तो हम यू के साथ हमेशा वर को यूज़ करेंगे. ओके. चाहे यू एज ए सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन यूज़ किए करें, चाहे प्लूरल. ओके. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद एग्जाम्पल. यू वर माई क्लासमेट. हेयर यू is used as a singular pronoun, and so we use were with you. You all were my neighbors. Here you is used as plural pronoun. We also use were with plural pronoun. Okay. Now read this chart. I, she, he, it. These are singular pronouns. We use was with them. And we, you, they all are, these all are plural pronoun, so we use were with them. Okay, now has and have. Has and have shows possession or belongingness. We use has with singular noun और pronoun. हम हैज़ जो है सिंगुलर नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ यूज़ होते हैं. रीड दिस एग्जाम्पल. द साइकिल हैज़ अ पंचर्ड टायर. Cycle is singular noun. We use has with cycle. And in the second sentence, he has a new car. Here he is singular pronoun, so we use has with he. Okay. Similarly, and in the next sentence, we use have with plural noun or pronoun. Have जो है हम plural noun और pronoun के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. All the books have red covers. All the books. So here all the books plural noun है ये. We use have with plural noun. They have a pet dog. They is a plural pronoun. We use have with they. Okay. We use have with I and you. हम हमेशा I और you के साथ have यूज़ करेंगे. I have a pen. You have a pen. ओके. नाउ read this chart. he, she, it. इसके साथ हम हैज़ लगाएंगे. I, we, you, they. हम इनके साथ have लगाएंगे. प्लूरल वर्ब. ओके. होप दिस टॉपिक इज़ क्लियर टू यू. थैंक यू एंड हैव a nice day.